Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at JMB Aprilia Ashok Nagar showroom. They have invited me for the launch event of the all new Tuono 457 as well as a limited edition Vespa. So the launch event is about to start. Let's enter into the showroom and we will join with them. The bike looks absolutely stunning. I'm eagerly waiting to test drive the new Tuono 457. Now let's go to the first floor where they are going to launch the special edition Vespa.
Premium scooter, Qala model, just launched 2 months back along with Tuono 457. So, இன்னைக்கு இங்க JMB model தான் unveil பண்றோம். Thanks for coming. Thank you.
So we are finally done with the launch event of the all new Tuono 457. I really had a good time today at JMB Aprilia showroom because the event was well organized by them and the staffs were really friendly to all the people who attended the launch event today. You can expect a lot more videos about the Tuono 457 in upcoming days on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. See you guys in another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet and take care.